So I was wondering, how would Conquest sound if it was done by Carl Wheezer instead?
Pay attention! I am so lonely. All the other military mates are scared of me. No one talks to me. No one wants to be my friend. They think I'm unstable. They send me from planet to planet committing atrocities in their name. And as I get better at it, they fear me more and more. I am a victim of my own success. Conquest. I don't even get a real name, only a purpose. I am capable of so much more, and no one sees it. Some days I feel so alone. I could cry, but I don't. I never do. Because what would be the point? Not a single person in the entire universe would care. Take it to your grave.